Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I will be reviewing the ready to blend smoothie JetPacks from BlendJet. You guys, I have never tried these JetPacks before, so this will be my first time. So you guys, I have 3 different flavors as you see. The first one I'm showing you now is the banana blueberry. These are ready to blend like I said, and it is 1 serving. What I love and why I really wanted to try out the JetPack is that they are gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, good source of fiber, no artificial flavors or preservatives, and no artificial sugar. So this one is the raspberry dragon fruit. I haven't had too much of anything with dragon fruit, but I'm very interested in trying this one. I'm also ready to try this green peach ginger, you guys. It also has spinach powder and organic chlorella powder, so great benefits. And of course, the handy dandy BlendJet 2. So the first one that I'm going to open and try is the raspberry dragon fruit. With these JetPacks, all you need is 8 ounces of ice cold water or 7 ounces of water and 1 ounce of ice. Now it's time to give it a try. It's not that bad. It tastes pretty good. You can actually taste the raspberry. You can taste the, I'm assuming that's dragon fruit, the flavor of it, and it's pretty good. So as I showed on my previous videos how I actually clean the BlendJet, I am going to show you thoroughly again how I do it. Only thing I do is run some water in, put in some dish detergent, and just put on the top and press the button. You can also detach the blender. You take the bottom part off and you can rinse that off as well as clean the jar. I haven't shown it in my previous video, but this is another way that you can clean it thoroughly as well. So this is how you put the blender back together to get it aligned. As you see a little arrow that is down at the bottom of the jar, what you're going to do is also line it up with the arrow that is on the bottom of the blender. You're going to twist the jar and the bottom of the blender tightly together until the two arrows are aligned straight up and down, like this. Now on to the next JetPack, the banana blueberry. We're going to mix that together, and with this one, I'm going to add 7 ounces of water, and I'm also going to add 1 ounce of ice. Time for the taste test. You guys, I don't think I like this one pretty much. I'm going to try it one more time just to be sure. Nah, it's a no for me. On to the last JetPack, the green peach and ginger. I'm so excited to taste this one. Time to give this last one a try. Hey, it's not bad. I kind of like this one. To be honest, this is my favorite one. So you guys, that would conclude my review of the JetPack Ready to Blend Smoothie Packs by BlendJet. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to give me a big thumbs up and also comment down below if you've tried the JetPack. See you all in the next one.